Planning is a crucial aspect in any company nowadays due to increased competition and globalization, which has led to lower prices and an immense variety in terms of vehicle options. From Tata's cheapest car in the world to Bugatti's extreme luxury, there is an option for everyone. This is why car manufacturers must be able to plan ahead and look into the threats of the future. This way, they can offer aggregate value to what they sell in order to keep sales increasing. This is the case with Jaguar, who after 75 years in 2011 decided to give its XJ model a total makeover to keep it fresh, modern, and selling. For Jaguar, there were not so many big issues in the planning of the vehicle. However, it did require such a process, and this is how they did it. The first question Jaguar must ask itself is, why plan? First, because it provides direction. In this sense, everyone must know what the company is after and how they are going to achieve it. Secondly, it reduces uncertainty. This allows the company to anticipate to certain situations and be prepared for the change those situations might bring to the company. Thirdly, it minimizes waste. This way, efficiencies become obvious and can be corrected or eliminated. And finally, it establishes goals and standards in controlling. This is to see whether or not the company reached its goals and plans. There are 4 kinds of plans. The first one is breadth, which includes strategic and operational. The second one is time frame, which includes long-term and short-term plans. The third one is specificity, which includes specific and directional plans. And the fourth one is frequency of use, which includes single-use or standing plans. Once Jaguar's goals and strategies were in place, the design team proceeded to start sketching until they found the right design, inside and out. This is an operational plan because it only involves a particular area of the organization, which in this case is the design team. The winning design was sleek and had the 21st century appeal they were looking for. However, this design was made to be fabricated out of aluminum for a lighter car that wastes less gas and reduces CO2 emissions. This aluminum material brought 2 challenges for the company. The first one, in terms of design, is because aluminum is more difficult to shape, which in turn brought a production challenge for the company because they had to get machines that had the ability to mold the aluminum however they wanted. This is where planning is key because the company can be prepared for this kind of problems. They might have had them in the past, so a solution is having a plan based on previous solutions to similar problems. In the production process, there is a time frame to these plans, and this is why Jaguar fabricates part of the car by hand and the other with machines, because it is faster and more precise than what humans are able to do. Amongst their plans, there must be a time frame for the whole production process of the car, from the moment they decided to do it to the moment they release their new product. For Jaguar, this is a short-term plan because the production in total will take a little less than a year to achieve. The interior design. Jaguar has a 3D simulator that lets the interior designer feel as if he were inside the car, observing every detail for the most minimal error. This is used not just for the interior, but also to examine every detail of the engine. This 3D simulation process can be classified as a directional plan because it allows flexibility. If there is something wrong, it can be identified with the simulator. Finally, these plans Jaguar used for the fabrication of the Jaguar XJ are standing plans because they keep going as the company keeps fabricating this model. However, it will be constantly changing over time.